While direct measurements of student aptitude are critical for success, indirect measurements, like course evaluations, also provide an important layer of detail. As a comprehensive assessment partner, Watermark makes it possible to expand assessment by including these indirect options, while also saving you time. Beginning with your course evaluations, Watermark provides a simple and streamlined course evaluation design tool to make mid- and end-of-semester evaluation administration a breeze. And with our extensive LMS integrations and email reminders, you can count on impressive response rates and rich results. With these results in hand, Watermark gives you the foundation to quickly double down on the value of your data. Incorporate these indirect measurements alongside your direct measures to tell a truly holistic story about student performance against learning outcomes. By combining these measurements, you can ensure that you are delivering consistent and continuous improvement. Make the data you're already collecting go even further, and simultaneously support multiple conversations across campus. This is a perfect time to consider whether your assessment framework could be more effective by simplifying inclusion of indirect measurements. To learn more about how Watermark can help you do just that, visit watermarkinsights.com.